The 2026 Can-Am Ryker has arrived, and it's not just another three-wheeler. It's a revolution in the world of open-road performance and personal freedom. Designed by BRP, Bombardier Recreational Products, the Ryker has always stood for raw excitement and individuality. But the 2026 edition takes things to an entirely new level. Combining futuristic design, exceptional handling, and intelligent engineering, this machine blurs the line between motorcycle and sports car. It's built for riders who crave adrenaline but refuse to compromise on stability, safety, or technology. With its stunning upgrades, refined performance, and cutting-edge connectivity, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker is redefining what it means to ride in style. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Ryker, you know this isn't your typical trike. The exterior design is sharper, more sculpted, and visibly more aerodynamic than ever before. Every curve and edge serves a purpose, channeling air efficiently to improve performance and stability at high speeds. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring angular LED headlights with dynamic turn indicators that enhance visibility and futuristic appeal. The muscular fenders wrap tightly around the new alloy wheels, which are available in multiple designs and finishes, including matte black, chrome, and dual-tone sport variants. The compact yet commanding stance gives it a ready-to-launch posture, with its low-slung frame and forward-leaning silhouette emphasizing speed even while standing still. BRP has also introduced a broader palette of colors this year, ranging from bold solar yellow and crimson, blaze to stealthier tones like phantom gray and midnight black, metallic. Optional carbon fiber elements and performance. Decals further enhance customization, giving each Ryker a personality as unique as its owner. The attention to detail doesn't end on the outside. Step closer, and you'll find a redesigned seat with improved ergonomics for long-distance comfort, plus adjustable handlebars and foot pegs to tailor the riding position perfectly. The 2026 Ryker's compact dimensions make it agile in urban environments, but its sculpted design ensures that it looks powerful enough for open highways. The integrated LED taillights flow seamlessly into the frame, while the new aerodynamic side panels reduce drag and improve cooling efficiency. Every inch of this machine screams performance-driven craftsmanship. Inside, or rather on the rider's throne, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker has evolved into a luxury riding experience. The seats are now crafted with premium, weather-resistant materials, featuring multi-layer foam padding that provides superior comfort during long rides. The dashboard has been fully digitalized with a large high-resolution TFT display that shows navigation, ride modes, speed, and engine data with crystal clarity. Riders can connect their smartphones via BRP Connect or Apple CarPlay Android Auto integration, allowing access to music, maps, and notifications seamlessly through the intuitive control interface. Ambient LED lighting enhances visibility during night rides while adding a stylish glow to the cockpit. USB-C charging ports, keyless ignition, and customizable ride settings make the new Ryker feel more like a luxury car than a traditional trike. Storage compartments have also been expanded for better practicality, ideal for weekend getaways or long adventures. Under the body, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker hides a mechanical heart built to thrill. Depending on the variant, it offers two Rotax engine options, a 600cc inline twin and a powerful 900cc inline triple engine. The latter produces an impressive 115 horsepower and around 100 Nm of torque, pushing the Ryker from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4.8 seconds. That's blistering acceleration for a three-wheeler in this category. Power is delivered through a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, while the rear-wheel drive setup gives it a dynamic and sporty character. BRP's Advanced Vehicle Stability System, VSS, co-developed with Bosch, monitors traction and automatically adjusts braking and power to ensure confident handling on any surface. The 2026 Ryker also features improved suspension tuning, offering a balanced blend of comfort and control. The double A-arm front suspension and monoshock rear design absorb bumps gracefully while keeping the machine planted through tight corners. In terms of fuel efficiency, The Ryker maintains impressive numbers for a performance-oriented ride, averaging around 20-25 km per liter depending on driving style. But this machine is more about the experience than the economy. The way it hugs corners, the immediate throttle response, and the stability you feel while cruising at high speeds create an addictive riding sensation that few vehicles can match. Whether carving through mountain roads or gliding through city streets, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker delivers a perfect harmony of power, precision, and personality. Technology has always been at the core of BRP's innovation, and the new Ryker demonstrates that perfectly. Its smart ride control system adapts to riding conditions in real time, offering modes like Eco, Sport, and Dynamic for different experiences. It includes traction control, cornering ABS, hill hold assist, and electronic stability management, all working seamlessly to keep the rider safe while maximizing enjoyment. The connectivity suite allows over-the-air software updates, ensuring the Ryker stays current with new features and performance improvements. Integrated GPS navigation, voice command support, and wireless headset connectivity take convenience to another level. Optional add-ons include adaptive cruise control, tire pressure monitoring, and even a smart helmet interface for hands-free operation. When it comes to safety, BRP has raised the bar for three-wheelers. The Ryker is equipped with dual front disc brakes and a large rear disc for powerful stopping performance. The advanced braking system includes electronic brake force distribution and anti-lock braking for optimal control during emergencies. The chassis is constructed from high-strength tubular steel, offering exceptional rigidity and crash protection. Front and side impact protection zones are engineered to minimize injury risk, and multiple sensor systems constantly monitor the vehicle's behavior to prevent skidding or rollover. While traditional motorcycles rely heavily on rider skill, the Ryker's safety systems assist even beginners in maintaining stability and control, making it accessible to a wide audience. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker lineup is expected to include several trims: the base Ryker 600, the mid-range Ryker 900, and the high-performance Ryker Sport and Ryker Rally editions. The Sport model focuses on performance upgrades with sport-tuned suspension and unique styling cues, while the Rally edition is designed for off-road enthusiasts, featuring all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension, and skid plates for extra protection. Pricing is anticipated to start around $10,999 in the U.S. for the base model, going up to $16,999 for the top-tier Rally edition. In Europe, prices may range from $11,500 to $18,000, while Middle Eastern and Asian markets will see prices adjusted according to import duties and specifications. In comparison to competitors like the Polaris Slingshot, Yamaha Niken, and the Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide, the 2026 Ryker stands out for its balance of affordability, advanced safety, and ease of handling. The Slingshot may have more horsepower, but it's bulkier and less beginner-friendly. The Niken offers two front wheels for stability, yet it lacks the Ryker's sleek design and customization options. The Tri-Glide remains a heavyweight touring machine, more suited to older riders. The Ryker, in contrast, bridges performance and practicality perfectly, appealing to both young thrill-seekers and experienced riders looking for something new and modern. Of course, no vehicle is without its pros and cons. The Ryker's biggest strengths are its unique styling, stability, accessible power, and high safety standards. It's easy to ride even for newcomers and provides car-like confidence with motorcycle excitement. However, its limited passenger capacity, small storage space, and less weather protection compared to enclosed vehicles may deter some users. Additionally, its price, while competitive, can climb quickly with accessories and customization. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker targets a broad range of buyers, from young urban professionals who want a stylish commuter to adventure enthusiasts who crave open-air exploration. It's ideal for those who want the thrill of a motorcycle but with more safety and stability. In markets like the USA, Europe, and the Middle East, the demand for three-wheelers has been rising, especially among new riders and those transitioning from cars. With its enhanced comfort, smart features, and eye-catching design, the new Ryker is poised to capture a strong segment of that growing market. In conclusion, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker is more than a ride. It's a statement of individuality and innovation. It combines futuristic aesthetics with practical engineering, offering a perfect blend of performance, technology, and safety. BRP has crafted a vehicle that defies convention, turning everyday travel into an exhilarating experience. For anyone looking to rediscover the joy of the open road in a machine that's bold, efficient, and unmistakably modern, the 2026 Can-Am Ryker is one of the most exciting vehicles you can own today. It's not just about where you're going, it's about how thrilling the journey feels.